Hello guys, my name is Junel Sibagayan from Kirin High School, Philippines. I've become part of, I really appreciate and it's my pleasure to be a part of this workshop, and I learned from this activity such as cooking using the solar energy and to be practical and thrifty person. Guys, and I learned from this activity that you don't need to have spent much money to cook something. And I become part of this seed when I was in second year, but I'm not active. And lastly, from this June, I repeat to become part of this seed.
Okay, what are your recommendations? How do you find the activity? Are
I
there any
find this
recommendations?
activity so much fun, and I think my recommendation to become more challenging and fun activities to have a full supported items that we can use to do our activities.
Okay.